All right, this is to show the difference in the, call it Factory A and Remake Factory B. As you can tell right off the bat, the arch is more pronounced on Factory A, which is exactly how in previous orders they came, and this is what I wanted. The arch is flatter on the remakes. Not too much of a big deal, but was definitely hoping for something like this. Again, let's move over to deficiency number 2. You can see the belt buckles. This is crooked right there, as you can tell. All right, and then deficiency 3, the most are those 2 pins that are inside there. You can see them. There's one in the back right here, and one in the back, and one in the front. I don't know if they just forgot to trim those off or what, but as you can see, there's 2 of them in there. And then on some of them, the sliding rail right here, this roller clip, this one won't move at all. This one slides in and out, no issues. As you can see, as I go to put it in this buckle, it doesn't work. It won't go in. Let's look at another one. Same here. Let's look at some of the older ones, or the newer ones right out of the package. Here, that metal pin gets caught and doesn't allow it to go in. And then here are a couple metal shavings that have come out from trying to lodge this in there, but that can damage. There's the unevenness, but those metal pins can damage the belt buckle as you take it in and out. I've never seen that before in all the belt buckles that I've ordered from Kiddercorp. Here is another one. Look at that right there. That's completely unsat. Does this move? Nope, this doesn't move either. And you can't get it through because of that. So those are the deficiencies with these belt buckles. I like the fact that they got the black background a lot better than the new one, which is right here, but on the previous set of orders. But obviously I prefer the more functional buckle, cleaner inside, obviously stamped with Kiddercorp. You know, there's no pin in any of the other versions. Maybe you can see it on this one, but yeah, hopefully that helps. Thank you.